Well, I'm on the farm today, and after a long hiatus, I've got my John Deere 5055D running again, and this is the tractor that never has a flat tire and always starts, except it didn't start. And back during the winter, we got down into the probably down close to zero, and I got the bright idea to come up here and try to crank this thing up. I had somebody coming for a round bale that was in front of that thing, and so I tried to start it. It smoked a little bit, and then nothing happened, and from then on nothing happened. And so it would crank, but it wouldn't fire. It was like it wasn't getting diesel. And on the side of this tractor is a fuel shutoff solenoid. Let's see here. Right there. It's right there. And anyway, I suspected that was the problem, and went through. I didn't want to replace that whole mechanism, and I put 12 volts on it, and it clicked, so I knew the solenoid was good at that point. It was just a matter of some wiring somewhere, and the way we got mice around here, I was afraid that you know, there might have been a mouse problem. But also, in the beginning, I thought it was a fuel problem, and I was down near zero on diesel in here, and it was so cold, it occurred to me that maybe what happened was the thing gelled up and then clogged my filter, my fuel filter. So I replaced all that and put gas in it, with diesel in it, with treatment, and none of that helped. I primed it as I should, and it still wouldn't go. So finally, we're getting down to where I need this tractor on a regular basis, and I need to either get it going or get somebody in here or take it somewhere that they could get it, you know, that they could get it going. But I thought, well, I'm a hotshot engineer, or at least I used to be. I ought to be able to figure this out. So I pulled up a chair, and I sat down there with the wiring diagram, and I started checking a few things with an ohm meter. And on the side there's a relay box. I say relay box, it's a fuse box with some relays in it. And I'm talking out here because I hope my audio comes through. This tractor really covers up any voice if you get up on it. But anyway, I pulled that cover off, and I had a wiring diagram, and I was just looking things over, and I was thinking about swapping a relay to see if that would help eliminate. I was just kind of getting down to where, you know, something's not as it should be, and so what I found was that I pulled a relay out and I put it back in, and when I put it in, it was probably about 1/8 of an inch inset deeper than the other relays that were around it. And I thought, huh. And I pushed each one of the relays. I think there's 5 or 6 of them, and they all seated deeper than they had previously been. So I pushed all that stuff in and tapped a switch, and it fired off like a new tractor. So here we are. I got a low tire on the front. On the other side, I'll deal with that in another video. But bottom line is, the tractor seems to be running. Knock on wood. You know, this is the backbone of the farm. I've got the big Massey, the little Massey's over there, and my International. But this would probably be the last tractor that left the farm, because this is really the right size. This is the backbone of this farm without a doubt, and it really brings it into focus when it's not going. So anyway, my John Deere 5055D, and it's running pretty good now. I'm getting ready to use it here, and glad to have it back online. We'll talk to you later.